Hey everyone, tired of opening your fridge and seeing a messy stack of random containers and mystery leftovers? On Best Product, we are talking about the best BPA-free food storage containers that can completely change how you store and organize your meals. These are smart, safe, and space-saving kitchen essentials. Let's get started. Up next is the Clutter BPA-free food storage containers. This set is designed to make food storage simple, clean, and reliable for everyday life. Whether you are packing lunch, storing leftovers, or planning meals for the week, Clutter gives you a practical solution. The set includes 12 lunch boxes in different sizes. This is great because not all meals are the same. Some days you need a small portion for snacks, and other days you need a larger container for family meals. Having multiple capacities means you can store everything properly without wasting space. Speaking of space, the stackable design really helps keep your kitchen organized. The containers fit neatly on top of each other, making better use of your refrigerator and cabinet space. Instead of clutter, you get a clean and well-arranged look. It also makes it easier to classify ingredients, so you can quickly find what you need. One of the most important features is the professional leak-proof technology. The lids seal tightly to prevent spills from soups, sauces, or juicy foods. This is especially useful when carrying meals to work, school, or outdoor activities. You can place the container in your bag with confidence, knowing it will not create a mess. The Clutter containers are made from heat-resistant and chemically stable borosilicate glass. This material is strong and safe. When you heat food in the microwave or wash the containers in the dishwasher, they do not release harmful substances. That means you can cook, store, and reheat your meals in the same container without worrying about safety. They are also compatible with refrigerators, microwaves, and dishwashers, which makes daily use very convenient. You can store leftovers in the fridge, reheat them directly in the microwave, and then clean everything easily in the dishwasher. It saves time and reduces extra dishes. Another helpful detail is the transparent glass design. Because the containers are clear, you can instantly see what is inside. This makes meal planning easier and reduces food waste. You are less likely to forget about ingredients hiding in the back of the fridge. Durability is another strong point. The high-quality materials resist heat and corrosion, which means the containers maintain their performance over time. They are built for long-term use, not just short-term convenience. Overall, the Clutter BPA-free food storage containers combine safety, durability, and smart organization in one complete set. From leak-proof transport to microwave-friendly glass and stackable storage, they make everyday kitchen tasks much easier. Ready to upgrade your kitchen organization? Check the price link in the description and see how this set fits your needs. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more smart home essentials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.